Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the sound amplifier, also known as audio amplifier fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything like that. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The sound amplifier, also known as audio amplifier fuses and relays. Let's demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee where you can find them. And guys, quick advice, there will be hidden fuse boxes. Most owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. Go ahead and open the hood. Facing guys the engine. Oh, by the way, if you have that 2.4 engine, we have more than 200 videos taking the engine completely apart and showing you how to fix pretty much anything. Check it out, it will be on the channel. That's your engine. On the right side of it, that's the main engine fuse box. You see these tabs here? Press them together and lift the cover up. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the sound amplifier, also known as audio amplifier, let's explain first which fuse we need to check. It's just one fuse guys. Now relays, you don't have any relays. The relay function practically is controlled, okay, by the fuse, which is known as a relay fuse. So you have only a fuse and the relay function will be electronically controlled, okay, through the module. But if you come right here, you see that fuse guys, that's known as fuse number 98. That's your sound amplifier fuse. If you have problems with it, we'll recommend to check the radio fuse as well. The video will be on our channel if you need help with that on your Jeep Cherokee as well. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.